Just earlier this month, Prince Harry took to the stands to testify against Mirror Group newspapers for unlawful gathering of information. He claimed that they had been intruding in his life since he was a kid, from childhood to adolescence and to adulthood. Now the judge, Justice Francourt, wants to see concrete evidence. He told Harry's lawyers, David Sherborne, to show me the evidence, not just assertions by you. And we all remember that when Prince Harry was in court, he was probed by the barrister Andrew Green Casey about, can you prove that your phone was being hacked? And Prince Harry in many instances said, none that I can remember. But how can you take a case of this magnitude to the court and you can't provide concrete evidence just based on speculations? Because at one point he was probed about an incident while he was playing football in school. He had an accident while playing football in school. So the next day it was in the newspapers, and Prince Harry is suing Mirror Group newspapers for putting that in the newspaper. So he was probed, how did the Mirror Group newspapers get this news? And Prince Harry was like, I don't really know. Maybe the doctor's phone was hacked. Seriously, if the doctor's phone was hacked, can the doctor himself make a case against Mirror Group newspapers, not Prince Harry? Because it wasn't his phone that was hacked, and it was also proven that he claimed that his phone was hacked, but in 1996, he didn't have a mobile phone. He had a mobile phone. The first mobile phone he had was in 1998. So how can phone be hacked when he wasn't in possession of any phone? He didn't have a phone. The judge is calling the best examples of particular evidence that Prince Harry was able to provide regarding a specific message. This is a pivotal moment in the trial as the credibility of claims is being scrutinized. Of course, because when you take a case to court, your evidence, everything you bring in court will be scrutinized, and you will be probed and probed and probed until the judge and the barristers are satisfied. Sherborne, who is not only representing Prince Harry but also 3 other high-profile claimants, must now deliver the evidence the judge is seeking. It's a make-or-break moment for the Duke of Sussex. According to Sherborne, Prince Harry's witness statement is key to their argument. He highlights that Harry explicitly mentioned in his statement that the discussed materials was private. But will this be enough to convince the judge? The burden of proof is on Prince Harry to provide evidence. Because with no evidence, with no concrete evidence, the judge will not be convinced to make a fair judgment in Prince Harry's favor. On the other side, the Mirror Group newspaper lawyers are seeking to downplay the severity of the alleged unlawful information gathering. Andrew Green Casey, representing Mirror Group newspapers, argues that there is only one occasion of admitted unlawful activity related to Prince Harry in 2004. Green suggests that according to the limited nature of the inquiries and the small amount of invoice, Prince Harry should be awarded a maximum of £500 in compensation. £500. Prince Harry is taking this case to court, and I know for sure that he knows that he's going to be raking in millions and millions of pounds after he wins this case. But how can he be so sure to win this kind of case when he hasn't got concrete evidence? Everything he brings to court is just based on speculations. So all this flying from Montecito to London, back and forth, just for £500? Just for £500? Really? Earlier this month, Prince Harry revealed that it was a chance meeting in France that led him to pursue legal action against tabloid newspapers. He explained that he didn't actively seek legal advice but crossed paths with Mr. Sherbon, who is now his lawyer. Same lawyer who represented Meghan Markle. Same lawyer who is alleged, it is alleged that the same lawyer was recommended to them by Elton John. So Meghan, Elton John, and Prince Harry met in Paris. They sat down and they planned to bring legal action against Mirror Group newspapers. This is a conspiracy. Are they going to win this case? We don't know for sure, but let's watch as spectators on the sideline. The Duke of Sussex also clarified that he had no concerns over specific articles being the result of unlawful activity before speaking to lawyers. He claimed that the discussions were focused on finding a way to stop the abuse and intrusion he and his wife were facing. Oh my God. The stakes are high in this bitter legal battle between Prince Harry and Mirror Group newspapers. The judges demand concrete evidence. Will Prince Harry and his lawyers be able to provide concrete evidence? Let's wait and see. Let's watch this legal showdown between Prince Harry and MGN. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned. Hope to see you next time. Please don't forget to subscribe.